What's up guys, TNT Anglers back with another video. Today it's only me, Ty. He's got work or something. So I'm about to go pick up a friend and we're gonna head out to a nice pond just down the road here, and hopefully we can find a pattern, find what these fish are eating on, and try to make a good video out of it. So but yeah, if you haven't yet, follow us on Instagram. We're pretty active. We try to post every day. At TNT Anglers is where you'll find us. We post some pretty cool stuff on there, so if you want to keep up with TNT Anglers, then check us out. But yeah, like I said, I'm about to go pick up a friend, and then we're going to head out to the pond, and I'll catch you there. Alright, so we just rolled up to the pond. We're going to start off with Sinkos. Might switch to like a chatterbait. The water's a little muddy, so I think I got like a black and blue chatterbait that might do some good. Maybe a spinner bait. But the rain just passed, so hopefully we can get a post-rain bite going on, figure out what these fish are doing, and catch some fish. If I hook a big one here, I don't know how I'm gonna get it out. There's one. Oh. Tiny guy. First fish for me. Nothing big, so hopefully we can get something about 5 times this size. So we haven't been getting any bites on the Sinkos really. I caught that small one, but I'm gonna switch up to the white fluke and see if I can get on some more fish with it. We're about to walk around to this end and there's a lot more cover, so the fish should be hiding under it, so hopefully we can get on them. Justin's hooked up around the corner. Huh? Not a bad one. Probably close to a pound.
Right on the eye. I got like 3 nibbles in a row right by that tree right there. I just kept one. Finally got it. Ooh. Poor little guy.
So Justin caught that on the black and blue Senko. Not a bad one. What the heck? What? Is there a fish right there?
Yeah.
Alright, well I'm gonna hand catch a fish.
There's no way it's that same one, right?
No.
Is it different?
So, I'm on my second one. I'm on my second fish. It was literally swimming towards the bank. And that's not the same one.
No.
So, there's my second one. My first hand catch fish ever. So that's pretty cool. That's better than my first one. So that's how we do it out here in West Virginia. Not a bad one. Let's get the release. There he goes, finally towards the water. Dude, that's so weird. Alright, so I don't know what that fish was doing, but I walked up, Justin caught his first fish of the day, and it wasn't a bad one. And then right when he released it into the water, another fish got spooked on the bank right here when he went to release it, and it kept swimming up in the grass. So I was able to catch my second one by my hand. So that was kind of weird. I got a fish one. It's fighting pretty hard. Right there, caught that one off that dead tree in the water. I switched up to the red and black Cinco. That's probably the biggest of the day, isn't it?
I'd say so.
That's not a bad one, probably about a pound. Look, it has like a sore on its lip.
Oh yeah, what the?
It's weird. Let's get him back in the water. It's awesome right there. Alright guys, so we're on our way back to get something to eat. We had a pretty successful day. I caught 3 and you caught
Just one.
He caught one, a decent one. And I had that one interesting catch where I literally landed it with my hand, caught it with my hand, because he was releasing his and then it like spooked it up on the bank or something, and then I was like, alright, well I'm gonna catch this one with my hand. That was my second catch, so that was pretty weird. But it got pretty hot out there. I'm surprised we did as good as we did. But hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Like and comment.